Welcome back. This month on Connecting Africa, we're looking at the pharmaceutical sector. And next, we turn our attention to a family-run business with its headquarters in the Ugandan capital, Kampala. Started by a husband and wife team who imported and distributed product, Rene Industries now has a presence in all of the major East African markets. Rishi Vadodaria is proud of his business, and he's equally proud of the role his daughter plays in it.
I'm the managing director and founder of this company. We manufacture human medicines. I would like to introduce my daughter Khushbu Vadodaria, operations director, who is going to take us around the tour of this factory and show us the different processes which are taking place in the plant.
This is the raw materials store where we receive all raw material from all around the world, mainly Asia and Europe. So we receive the material from the bay on the other side, and then the material is quarantined in this area that's demarcated behind me. Once the material passes our quality control checks, it's moved into the approved area. So this is where we weigh all our raw materials using this laminar airflow system to prevent cross-contamination. Also, the material has a different entry to man entry to prevent the same cross-contamination.
As the two of them take us around the facility, it is easy to sense the joy they feel at what they've achieved. The business has certainly come a long way.
Rene Industries is actually a backward integration company which went into manufacturing pharmaceuticals. We started with a very humble beginning in 1988 when I started a wholesale pharmacy called Rene Pharmacy Limited with my wife, who is a pharmacist who graduated from Makerere University. So over a period of time we saw that the Ugandan market was very much dependent on imports coming in from Kenya, China, Europe and other countries. So we saw that there is a gap here, and we decided to backward integrate and ensure that we produce affordable, quality, efficacious drugs here in Uganda.
And recent events such as the COVID-19 pandemic have reinforced in him a belief that the continent needs to be able to look after its own health.
Well, it is very important for African countries to develop a pharmaceutical industry because we need to be self-sufficient in our pharmaceutical needs, and it is very important that in future, in case such epidemics and pandemics do come, African nations are very well placed in order to face such challenges.
The business exports to several African countries including DRC and Malawi, and has plans to add Kenya and Tanzania to the list. Khushbu is determined that progress won't stop there.
Our vision is to develop, manufacture and market cost-effective, high-quality medicines to the Ugandan market as well as the East African region. Our broad mission is to reduce the dependency of imports of the region. We believe that everyone is entitled to universal access to medicines.
A true family business that is breaking into new territories, big or relatively small. Many of Africa's pharma businesses are growing and looking into new markets. Good news for them and hopefully the continent as a whole.